To hide files on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the security and privacy, and then you can scroll down until we find the device and data protection. Here you can click on save and then you can enable it. From here you will need to select the storage where save will be created. In this case we can select phone as our main storage. From there you need to also enter a password for your save, so make sure that you enter I think at least 6 digits and then 1 letter. So we're gonna go for something like this. Just make sure that you remember this password. Then you can move to the next step and enter the answers to those questions for the password recovery. They need to be at least 3 digits, sorry. Then when we click on done, we'll be able to add files that we want to hide. In this case, let's go for this camera image right here. We can accept it, and then that image will be here in the safe and we won't be able to access it in our gallery. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.